Hi, I'm Teresa Strasser, and you're on the list. Turn up the heat of your creativity. Mike Brookbank takes us to one hot spot for art around Cleveland.
It's amazingly fun.
Michael Kaplan is sharing that fun at the Glass Bubble Project.
A place where you can learn to weld or blow glass.
The Ohio City Artists Co-op is a great place to unleash your creativity.
We teach glass blowing to anyone 5 years old and up.
When working with glass, remember these tips.
Don't touch the hot end of the pipe.
Also, be sure to move quickly when adding your colors.
Go too slow, you got to get it real hot or it won't stick.
In terms of your artistic abilities, don't worry about it.
Have fun. Do something different. Try to be your own artist.
Finally, be ready for the heat.
Feel like it's hot?
My face? Yeah. Details on the Glass Bubble Project are on my Facebook page.
I need to talk to you. Are you leaving the Supremes?
Mother Nature is turning up the heat and humidity on Cleveland, a terrible combination for taming that dew.
People are just looking for cute, quick styles that, don't take much time.
Haley Delzani with Lather Salon gives us a peek at some hot hair trends that will keep you cool this summer, like the knot.
That's something that you could easily do to yourself.
Here's how.
Section it in two, make the number 4, and then you pull it through, and then you reverse the number 4.
Continue this process until you run out of hair.
And then when you're done, it springs up like that. You get a whole netting effect on the top of the hair.
Here's a list of other popular styles you may want to try. The vintage braid, the hair headband, and the classic loose curl.
It's just nice and fun for summer. It's kind of got that beachy wave feel.
For the list, I'm Mike Brookbank.